These are two ocean books. They are both yellow books. They have yellow stickers, which means you'll be able to follow along with me because they have all power words that we've learned, except the last word of each sentence will change. So you'll need to look at the picture and get your mouth ready to make the first letter of the sound that the first letter is on the page. Okay, let's start with In the Ocean. It's by Trace Taylor and Gina Klein. In the ocean. Now, because ocean starts with a vowel, the letter O, I'm going to say the word the like this. The. Can you say that? In the ocean. You try. Okay. In the ocean. There are fish. There are seals. Seals and sea lions look almost the same. There are jellyfish. There are turtles. There are sharks. SH says sh, sh. There are seahorses. There are crabs. There are whales. Looks like an adult and a baby calf. There are dolphins. Agnes, little dolphins. There we are. There are rays. Some people call them stingrays. There's all different types. There are starfish. There are octopuses. Here's some fun information about the ocean, some facts. The world's oceans are the biggest ecosystem on the planet. There's 5 oceans: the Atlantic, Pacific, the Indian, the Southern, and the Arctic. And though we say that the Earth has 5 oceans, all the oceans are connected to each other. The oceans are full of animals and plants of all sizes and colors. Many of the ocean's creatures are in danger because of pollution. So different things like oil spills or acid rain, garbage, and other chemicals that drain into the ocean can poison the plants and animals that live there. Out of all the water on Earth, 97% of it is salty, salt water. 2% is the frozen ice caps in the Arctic, and 1% is fresh water. That means that all the drinking water on Earth is that 1%. It also says that the photographs for this book were taken at aquariums where lots of aquarium workers stick together to protect and to help preserve all of these different types of species or kinds of ocean animals. So that's In the Ocean. The other yellow book we have is called Oceans. Oceans by Joy Washington. Another yellow book, so try to read along with me and get your mouth ready for that last word on each page. All right. You can find rocks in the ocean. Okay, so it's not the last word, it's the middle. You can find rocks in the ocean. You can find shells in the ocean. All different types of shells. You can find boats in the ocean. Looks like a shipwreck, a sunken ship or a sunken boat. You can find grass in the ocean. Looks like seaweed, but looks like grass too. I like how the page numbers have little starfish. You can find crabs in the ocean. You can find fish in the ocean. You can find octopuses in the ocean. Octopus has 8 legs, right? Those are all the tentacles. They can stick like a little suction cup to the window. They can stick right to anything they want. You can find turtles in the ocean. You can find jellyfish in the ocean. You can find seahorses in the ocean. You can find penguins in the ocean. You can find seals in the ocean. Oh, Agnes Little! You can find dolphins in the ocean. You can find whales in the ocean. You can find sharks in the ocean. You can find people in the ocean. What kind of person is that? What's his job? He's a scuba diver. Looks like he's taking a photograph with a special underwater camera. He's got a mask on and goggles and an air tank so he can breathe underwater like the fish and the sharks and the whales can. And he's got fins or flippers that helps him kick through the water like any other ocean animal could.